Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find the gamma value using various methods. The gamma function is a fascinating mathematical concept that extends the familiar factorial operation to numbers beyond just positive integers. It's represented by the capital Greek letter gamma, z. While it's a powerful tool, you won't typically find a dedicated gamma function button on a basic calculator. When dealing with positive integers, finding the gamma value is straightforward. The gamma function of a positive integer n is simply equal to n minus 1 factorial. For example, if you want to find gamma of 5, you would calculate 4 factorial, which results in 24. You can easily compute this using the factorial button on your calculator. For half-integer values, there are some special cases you can calculate. A very important one is gamma of 1/2, which is equal to the square root of pi, approximately 1.772. You can also use the recurrence relation, gamma of z plus 1 equals z times gamma of z, to find other half-integer values, like gamma of 3/2. For more complex or non-integer gamma values, you'll need more advanced tools. Many scientific and graphing calculators have a dedicated gamma function built in. Additionally, numerous free online gamma function calculators can provide instant results. Programming languages, such as Python, also include functions to compute gamma values, offering powerful computational capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.